Hi, friends. Welcome to Daily Slow English. Today's story is about a young newcomer named Leo, who is traveling to North America for the very first time. By following Leo's journey, we'll learn useful phrases at the airport, during check-in, security, on the plane, and at immigration and customs. Together, let's practice English and explore everyday life in North America. Are you ready? Let's get started. Leo is a 26-year-old newcomer from Brazil. Today, he is flying alone to Toronto to begin a new chapter of his life. He has never flown by himself before. Everything feels new to him, exciting, but also a little scary. Leo arrives at the airport early in the morning. He looks around with wide eyes. There are bright signs everywhere. There are long lines of travelers pulling heavy suitcases. For a moment, he feels lost. Leo knows he needs to check in. He walks toward a big board that says Departures. He finds his flight number and sees the message, Check-in counter F.
Okay, counter F.
Leo whispers to himself. He follows the signs until he reaches the correct counter. A friendly airline worker smiles and greets him.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning, I'm flying to Toronto.
May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. How many bags are you checking in?
Just one.
Please place your bag on the scale.
Okay,
Great, it's under the weight limit. Do you have any carry-on luggage?
yes, just this backpack. Could I have an aisle seat?
No problem. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B7 and boarding starts at 2:30 p.m.
Thanks for your help.
You're all set. Have a nice flight.
Now let's review some key phrases you might hear or use at the check-in counter.
Can I have your ticket and passport, please? How many bags are you checking in? Do you have a carry-on bag? Please place your bag on the scale.
Could I have an aisle seat, please? Do you know if the flight is on time? Where is the security checkpoint? Leo thanks the agent and walks away. Now comes the part he fears the most: security. People are taking off jackets, belts, and shoes. Plastic trays are moving along a long metal belt. Leo watches for a moment, trying to understand what everyone is doing. Just then, a security officer waves to him.
Good morning. Boarding pass and passport, please.
Good morning, here you are.
Thank you. Please go to the next lane.
Leo walks to the conveyor belt.
Hello. Please empty your pockets. Put your keys, phone, and belt in this gray tray.
Okay,
Please take off your shoes and jacket. Put them in another tray.
shoes off, jacket in a tray. Got it.
Are you carrying any liquids or electronics?
I have a laptop, no liquids.
Please take your laptop out. Put it in a separate tray.
Done.
Thank you. Push your trays onto the belt. Then walk through the scanner.
Leo walks through the metal detector. It beeps.
Please step over here. We need to check you again. Put your arms out to the side.
Sure.
This is a simple pat down. Do you have anything sharp?
No, nothing sharp.
Great. You are all clear. You can collect your belongings at the other end.
Thank you.
Now let's learn some key phrases you might hear or use at the security check.
Remove all items from your pockets. Place your laptop in a separate tray. Take off your shoes and belt, please. Please step through the scanner. Spread your arms out to the side. Do you have any liquids in your bag? We need to conduct a secondary security screening.
After security, Leo enters the terminal. Suddenly, everything feels brighter and more open. There are cafes, shops, and large windows with planes outside. He feels proud. He made it through the hard part. Now he needs to find gate B7. Leo follows the signs and walks slowly. Then he sees an information desk ahead, with an airport staff member standing there. After a short pause, Leo gathers his courage and goes to ask for directions.
Excuse me. Hi, could you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'm looking for gate B7, but I'm not sure where it is.
No problem. Gate B7 is in the B section. Go straight, then turn left. You will see signs for Gate B. Follow the signs and you will find B7.
Go straight, then turn left.
Yes, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Great, thank you so much.
Now let's learn some useful phrases you might hear or use at the information desk.
Excuse me, where is gate C12?
Gate C12 is this way. Please follow the signs.
Can you check my flight status, please?
Your flight is on time. Your flight is delayed by 30 minutes.
My phone is lost. Can you help me?
Yes, please describe the phone you lost. When Leo reaches his gate, he finds a seat near the window. He watches the planes take off and land. He finally relaxes. This moment feels like the beginning of a new life. After a few minutes, an announcement comes.
Flight 789 to Toronto is now boarding.
Leo stands up, joins the line, and hands his boarding pass and passport to the gate agent.
You're in seat 23A. Please board through the left side. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks, have a nice day.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Flight 789 with service from Sao Paulo to Toronto. Please fasten your seatbelt and enjoy the flight.
The plane begins to move. Leo holds the armrest for a moment. He feels nervous, but then he slowly relaxes as the plane rises into the sky. The plane has been flying for a few hours. A flight attendant comes down the aisle with the meal cart.
Hello, it's mealtime. Would you like chicken or pasta?
I'll have the chicken, please.
Sure, here is your chicken meal. Would you like water, juice, or tea with it?
Water, please.
Here's your drink, some bread, and dessert. By the way, do you need a customs declaration card?
I already completed the declaration online. Do I still need the paper form?
No, you don't. If you did it online, that's all you need. Just scan your QR code at the kiosk after landing.
Okay, perfect. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Leo opens the small tray table. He smiles. This is his first meal in the air. He takes a small bite of the chicken and feels happy. Now let's learn some useful phrases you might hear or use on the airplane. Would you like chicken or pasta? Anything to drink? Do you need a customs declaration card?
Could I have a vegetarian meal, please? Excuse me, may I have a blanket? Do you have Wi-Fi on board? May I move to a window seat if it's available?
The flight is long, but it's calm and peaceful. When the plane finally lands, Leo feels both excited and a little nervous. He gets off the plane and follows the signs for arrivals and immigration. Near the immigration area, Leo uses the kiosk. He scans his passport, takes a quick photo, and answers a few simple questions on the screen. The kiosk prints a small receipt for him. Leo holds the receipt carefully and continues toward the immigration officers. Leo reaches the immigration desk with his passport and travel documents in hand. The officer looks serious but calm.
Hello. May I see your passport and your confirmation of permanent residence?
Yes, of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Are you traveling with any family members today?
No, I'm traveling alone.
Have you ever been convicted of any crime?
No, I have not.
How much money are you bringing with you today?
I have about 5,000 Canadian dollars.
Have you been to Canada before?
No, this is my first time.
All right. Everything looks good. Please proceed to the next area for your personal goods declaration.
Now let's learn some more key phrases you might hear or use at the immigration. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 1 week. Here is my return ticket.
Where will you be staying?
I will stay in a hotel downtown. Here is my booking confirmation.
Leo walks to the customs area.
Hello, I need your declaration card or your online declaration receipt.
I completed the declaration online. Here is my kiosk receipt.
Perfect. Thank you. And what are you bringing with you today?
Just my clothes, a laptop, and personal items.
Do you have any live animals or plants with you?
No,
Any meat, dairy products, fresh fruits, or vegetables?
no, I didn't bring any food.
All right. Everything looks fine. I am now finalizing your permanent resident status. Please confirm the address where we can mail your PR card.
Yes, it's the address where I will be living in Canada.
Great. Everything is in order. Welcome to Canada. You can collect your belongings now.
Thank you very much.
Leo breathes out slowly, a long, relieved breath. He smiles. He did it. He is officially a newcomer to Canada. Now let's learn some key phrases you might hear or use at the customs.
May I see your declaration card or receipt? Do you have anything to declare?
No, nothing to declare.
What do you have in your luggage?
Just my clothes, a laptop, and personal items.
Do you have any firearms, ammunition, or fireworks?
No, nothing like that.
Next, Leo walks to the baggage claim area. He watches the large carousel turn slowly, suitcase after suitcase passing by. Finally, he spots his own black suitcase. He grabs it quickly, feeling grateful that it did not get lost. He pulls his suitcase toward the exit. On the other side of the door, he sees his cousin waving happily.
Leo, over here.
Leo feels a warm rush of happiness. The long journey is finally over. He has survived check-in, security, immigration, and baggage claim. He has traveled across the world. And now, his new life is beginning. That's today's story. Leo checked in, passed security, flew across the world, and completed immigration and customs. It wasn't always easy, but he did it, step by step. I hope you learned some useful English today and discovered a little more about everyday life in North America. Don't forget to subscribe and join us again for more fun and everyday English learning. Thank you for spending your time with us. See you next time. Bye for now.